Hey guys, on a diet, are you trying to get more protein into your food? Well, this recipe is for you. This is how to make these delicious chocolate protein pancakes, which are delicious, fluffy, and so chocolatey. I'm using whey chocolate protein. You can get this from your local market. I got mine from Costco, so it was quite a big one. But this is perfect. Like, it tastes so nice, guys. It doesn't taste like protein. It's really nice and it's healthy and good for you. And it's really good if you're like weightlifting, trying to gain muscles, and you want to cut the carbs, but you still want to eat your favorite food. This is for you. And these are just delicious either way. Whether in a diet, whatever you want, you can always enjoy these pancakes. So you're going to add in all the ingredients, mix them till smooth. You can use a ladle or ice cream scoop to scoop your batter into your frying pan. Grease your pan with a little bit of oil or spray if you prefer, and pour your batter in. Add it 2 to 3 at a time. And you just want to cook this till golden brown. They should look like this, fluffy and golden brown. You can top this with any toppings of your choice. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Love you guys.